So 3 months are almost up in 2021, and I've just now purchased a 2021 release. I am behind time, I need to catch up.
Hey guys, what's going on? Wagwan me peeps, wagwan me peoples. Big up on yourself. Alain here with a brand new edition of White Boys Fragrance Corner, and today we will be unboxing a 2021 release. So stay tuned. Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. And before we get down to the nitty-gritty, I just want to say a big thank you to all you guys that have subscribed to the channel. I finally made it to 200, so I really appreciate it. I really do. So yeah, I'm just gonna keep going and see where this journey is going to take me. Now, as I said in the intro before, this is actually my first 2021 release fragrance that I've picked up. Yeah, I know I'm a bit behind time, but this year I have a mission, or I have a plan. I won't pick up so many new releases, but I'm going after fragrances that have been discontinued or that are about to be discontinued. Plus, I wanna, stack up on my niche fragrances as well. So there you have it. Alright, so the fragrance that I'm going to be unboxing today is no other than Hermes H24. Now, there have been some great releases and well anticipated releases rather, like Stronger With You Absolutely, then you have the Armani Code Eau de Parfum, you have the Y Parfum, you have Invictus Victory, then you have Valentino Burning Rome Yellow. To be honest, out of all of them, I think Y Parfum or Y La Parfum, that's the one I'm definitely going to get very soon as well. And maybe even the Invictus Victory. I have smelled that, and that's not a bad fragrance whatsoever. I'm not saying that the other releases aren't good, but I'll wait till fall to pick these up, definitely. So yeah, H24 by Hermes is a 2021 release. This is considered to be an aromatic green fragrance, and I said, you know what, this is just in time for spring and summer, so we'll see what this is all about. Hermes in general, I do like their fragrances. I have a couple, especially Terre de Hermes. I own the Pure Parfum edition, I own Intense Vetiver, and I own Ultras Fresh. In the Terre de Hermes collection, I own Eclairant de Rhubarbe, Voyage EDT, L'Ombre des Marveilles, and yeah, I enjoy them. So this is what the packaging looks like, and I must say, to be honest with you guys, I love this color combination. The gray with the light green, I like it. Now this is what the bottom of the box looks like, and now on the back now you have instructions, because apparently this is a refillable, or as how Hermes calls it, a rechargeable bottle. So there's a little instruction drawing there. So let's see what this is all about. And this is the bottle design. I like it. It has a classy look to it, an elegant look to it. The cap, it has a little weight to it. It's not bad. It clicks into place. and they can pick up the bottle by the bottle cap, which is always good. So let's see what the atomizer is like. Powerful atomizer. And let me just spray this on skin. And again guys, listen, especially for the Jamaican audience, when I say that this is an aromatic green fragrance, it means it is a fresh fragrance. It has herbs in it, because I think this has some sage in it if I'm not mistaken, and some florals and mineral notes. So don't get the wrong idea when I say it is a green fragrance. Doesn't mean it stinks. Because we Jamaicans, when we say something smells green, it's not really pleasing to the nasal palate. Yeah, kind of sounds touch right there. So, alright, back to the scent. H24 by Hermes. It is a fresh green scent. And I do get that metallic note right off the top. What I like about this is not as citrusy as Terre de Hermes. This definitely is its own fragrance. Yeah, I'm liking this. It's definitely a light fragrance, not heavy. And to me, this smells like spring, you know, when the flowers starting to bloom and, you know, the grass becomes green and stuff like that. Yeah, that's what I pick up. Definitely a fresh fragrance. Very clean smelling as well. This to me is like a white shirt fragrance. It just has this clean tint to it. Yeah, just in time as the temperatures are going to go, I will be giving this some wear, and yeah, put it through its paces and see what this really and truly is all about, and see what the performance is like. I mean, it doesn't matter how good a fragrance smells, performance is always definitely a factor for me to see how much I really like that fragrance. I've smelled fragrances which the smell is to die for, but the longevity sucks or the performance sucks, and you know, it just kind of leaves a disappointing. So I won't jump the gun with this one either, but yeah, definitely a fresh green, clean smell. I'll be having some fun with this. So there you have it guys, just a very quick unboxing video and first impressions. Hermes H24. I think I might do a full review with this further down the line, but for now I'm liking it just based on first smell. I'm liking it. So if you're looking something gentlemanly, that's on the fresher side, that's very light and easy to wear, that smells fresh and clean, try and get a sample. This is definitely, yeah, this is worth it. Get a sample and test it out. Alright, now as always, man fi smell good. Peeps, big up on yourself, stay safe, stay blessed. White boy is out.